are starting from work teach. I think you can comment there if you have grabbed anything. Work teach, and if in case of any question, just feel free to ask. That is work teach, teacher Rio, teacher Dek, teacher Ngwen, Ngeso, Jumapili. Sasa Jumapili is like on Sunday. So on Sunday, Jumapili. But that one is according to how there are pronunciation from different people. Like let me say, people from Ugenya will say Jumapili, but those people from around Homa Bay and Migori will call it Cheng Sabato. Cheng Sabato. Like for example, you do hear in the singing ati nochwe Cheng Sabato Gudhiambo. Cheng Sabato Gudhiambo. Mm? Yes. So like, okay, after learning about the days of the week, I think we will go to the hours. Okay, let's learn about the numbers first because I think that one is crucial. That one will take us through the hours of the day. Like for example, morning in Dolu, then midday in Dolu, evening in Dolu, right? Uh, okay, if we start with numbers, if we start with numbers in Dolu, right? Numbers in Dolu. Number one, that will be Achiel. Number one is Achiel. Number two is Ario. Number two is Ario. Number Dek is Adek. Number Ngwen is Angwen. What am I saying? Are you getting me? Okay, number one is Achiel. Number two is Ario. Number three is Adek. Number four is Angwen. Number five is a beach. A beach, right? Number Uchiel, that is Sita. Six. Six is Auchiel. I think you're grabbing. Six is Auchiel. If you have not gotten, just replay it. Six is Auchiel. Then seven, seven will be Aberio, right? Seven will be Aberio. Then eight, eight will be Aboru, Aboru, Aboru. Nine will be Ochiko, Ochiko, Ochiko. 10 will be Apar, 10 will be Apar. That is 1 to 10. Achiel, Ario, Adek, Angwen, Abich, Auchiel, Aberio, Aboro, Ochiko, Apar. That is from 1 to 10. If you're enjoying lesson, let me know. If not, give me the clarification. I'll tell you how we are going. Thank you. Therefore, I think reaching at that place, you are able now to count from 1 to 10. You are able to tell the days of the week. That is from Monday, then to Sunday. That is from Monday to Sunday. Then reaching at this point, I may like just to maybe let me pass across them now. No. Before continuing, if we reach number 10, that is apart. How to continue, because how to continue normally confuses people. Okay, how to continue normally confuses people. Like for an example, right? For an example, if I say that 11 is apar gachiel, 11 is apar gachiel. Apar ni kumi, achiel ni moja, kumi na moja. Nona apar gachiel, 11. Then number 12 is apargario. So you flow that way. Apargario, apargadek, apargangwen, apargabich, apargauchiel, apargabirio, apargaboro, apargochiko. Alafu, remember that if you reach apargochiko, if you reach 19, you don't go to 10 because you're going to go to 10 apargapar. No. 10 apargapar, no. You say 20. That is Piero Ario, Piero Ario, right? Then again you go Piero Ario Gachiel, Piero Ario Gario, Piero Ario Gadek, Piero Ario Gangwen, Piero Ario Beach, Piero Ario Uchiel, Piero Berio, Piero Boro, Piero Chico. Like from 21, 22, like just 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4. Then reaching at 29, that is Piero Ario Gochico, Piero Ario Gochico. You go to Piero Adek. I think I'm very clear.